Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change language in Messenger app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all you need to do is simply scroll through your home screen and tap open your Messenger app. So once you tap open your Messenger app, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on three lines and from there tap on the settings option. Here you can see that there is no option to change your language on Messenger. So to change your language, you need to go and tap on your settings option, and from the settings, you need to scroll down below or simply go and search on the search bar and type language. Then tap on the language option and then select any of the language you want to choose. Once the system gets into default, your apps will also be presented on the language that you have chosen recently. So this is how you change language on the Messenger app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.